What's up guys, Bobby here from Crash Daddy. Today we're going to begin the process of inspecting this 1991 Toyota MR2. At first glance it doesn't look too bad, some paint damage here and there, a couple dents and scratches. But looks can be deceiving, so we quickly got to work removing the bumper for a closer look. With the bumper now off, we immediately saw there's damage to the frame, the upper support, AC condenser. Luckily, these super cool pop-up headlights still work. The frame damage is pretty significant on one side, but we can pull that back out. Looks like we found some pre-existing damage unrelated to the collision that brought the car here. We can definitely fix this. And there you have it everyone, inspection done. Join us next week as we get to work on restoring this classic.